Hi everyone, welcome to my greenhouse she shed again. How do you like my lovely welcome sign there that I picked up at a garage sale? But you know what? I've been working feverishly on trying to close in the greenhouse to get rid of all the critters to make sure no little mouse are coming inside my greenhouse to eat my seeds. And so I thought I'd just pull out the camera and give you guys a little update as to what I have been up to. Anyways, today it's pretty rainy and it's kind of dim. So I will actually just, there's something that I'm really excited about showing you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys, but then I will do another video when it's clearer. Okay, when the sun is out, hopefully, maybe in a couple of days or so. But, oh, listen to that. That's my chime. Do you see my chime right there? Well, when the wind blows, I just like to hear it. Anyway, you see that window that's sitting behind the welcome sign and the chime? It's hanging just over my door that I picked up at the restore. That window is actually an old cupboard door. Because I have said before, we have used all reclaimed materials except for the wood that we used here that we bought at the lumber yard. And the wood was pretty cost effective because we were able to work with rough sawn hemlock. Most of them I have stained just to preserve them, but my hubby did quite a good job just working with the rough sawn hemlock to get everything together. Okay, so I will be doing a more detailed video at some point just to show you guys the materials and stuff that we were able to use to get the space together. But as I said before, I have something that I'm very excited about showing you guys that I finally got done. So I'm going to take you inside and I am going to show you. Let me just wipe my feet here because my rule now is that nobody should come inside with their shoes because I don't want my space to get dirty. Now you can have a little glimpse of what's going on in there from the outside here. Let's just open the door and show you what I did last night. Check that out. I finally installed the laminate runner. Check that out. I installed it from the front to the back. And then I had a few pieces left over. So this is what I did. I just carried them across in front of the stairs that leads up to my loft space. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Actually, I got these laminate. There were two boxes I got, $5 each. $5 per box. Okay, so that is why I figure, okay, I'll just go ahead and I'll buy them and I'll install what is more like a runner from the front, from the doorway here all the way back, and I think it looks pretty neat. Now you know when you have laminate and they have to fit into each other, usually there is a lip on the side here. So what I did was just to cut the lip off on the side here so that I could just line them up nicely. And the plan actually is to use some type of a quarter round or something similar just to put an edge at the side here and an edge at the side there, and to do the same thing in the front here. But that's it. That's what I was excited to show you guys. I have done quite a bit more around the space too, but in another video I will show you guys around a little more, especially now today it's a bit dark. So I'll just show you my floor that I'm so happy and proud of. What do you guys think, eh? Tell me, what do you think? Did it work out fine? Does it look good? Do you like it? Would you have preferred if I had just left the floor black without the runner? I think it really adds interest and color to the space. Well, guys, thank you so much. As I always say, without you guys, there is no us. Okay, so thanks again so much for watching, for subscribing, for watching the videos, for following along, and for encouraging me. 552 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Next 11, 1,000. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video. You're always welcome to my greenhouse.